Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. I mean, you should subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you send a direct message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with this analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. Let me take it down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so right now we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm coming. Okay, good. Okay, so just the way we are saying this, this actually started a downtrend long time ago, and we've been on it for a while, and right now it is at this region. Okay, you can see it is still selling, guys. It is still selling, even though it has gotten to a support region, which is this particular spot. Okay, so we are hoping that it will go fully into uptrend right from there. So if it is unable to break out from here, okay, so now let's see if this will actually buy right from there. So if it is unable to break out from there, then it's going to buy. But if it breaks out below this, then it means that it is still going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so if it buys, we can come in somewhere here. Okay, and of course, we can target this region. Okay, this region, and we can maintain this as our stop loss. Okay, so that is it. So we expect this to buy if everything goes on well, but if it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it's going to sell. So we should take note of that. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So this is GainX 999. Let me also take it down. Don't mind me, been doing more analysis on higher time frame lately. Okay, so and this had actually been an uptrend before, got to this particular resistance zone, try to sell. And if you remember, we actually sold this yesterday, got to this region, it came back into an uptrend, and of course right now it is selling right now. So we are expecting more selling opportunity than buying opportunity. At least it should get to this region, because we are having almost equal tops at the, I mean, almost equal high at this point. Okay, so except if it goes back up and break out above this resistance, so that is why when it will keep on buying. But if it does not, then we are expecting more selling opportunity, and we should expect it to break out below this particular range. Okay, so this is very, very important, guys, so we should take note of that. That is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, I would love to take it to 15-minute time frame also. So this is PayNext 1200, and of course, just where we are seeing this actually sold till it got to this region, and we are expecting it to buy right from there. Okay, so we can see it right there. So if it goes up above this, then it should buy, and we should be targeting this spot first and this spot next. Okay, and if it breaks out above this, then it should buy more. So we are expecting more buying opportunity from there. So you guys should take note of that. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is PayNext 999, and I'm taking it down to 15-minute time frame also. Okay, so just the way we are saying this, this is PayNex 999. This was on downtrend before, but it got to this support zone. It's tried to go back on uptrend, didn't go too far, came back down again, went back up, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so you can maintain this support zone, and of course probably you can still come in somewhere here. Okay, and you will have to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here, And of course, let's see where we should target. Then we should be targeting this region. Let me change the color. For the TP, we should be targeting this region for the TP. So you guys should take note of that. So this should be giving us more buying opportunity than the selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. Okay, I'm taking it down to 15-minute time frame. I've been analyzing on 1 hour time frame for a while. Okay, so um this is it on 15-minute time frame. Remember very well the last time we actually, that should be 2 days ago, that I told you that this is going to be going on uptrend, and you can see it went on uptrend, even broke out from here and got to this resistance zone. Okay, so guys, it seems this is preparing for a downtrend right from here, and this could also be a pullback. Okay, a pullback in order for it to continue the uptrend. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If it breaks out above this resistance, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend and sell. Okay, and sell. Okay, so we should take note of that. But at the moment, it is still buying at the moment, so we should take note of that. It is still buying at the moment, except if it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. So we should take note of that. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.